Coco, and we are getting ready to take her into the aviary with the other birds. She has undergone quite a while of quarantine, probably about a month and a half, 2 months now of just being by herself. So we're going to see how she does with everybody else. It's a pretty good day for this, pretty good time for it because everybody's just mellow. It's like 143 degrees out, approximately. We are in Duluth, no, Jackson, Mississippi. I feel like Jackson, Mississippi. Thank you, Kid Rock, for your wonderful song. Why my camera lady seems like she's drunk. Sorry, everybody watching this. So, Coco's undergone rigorous quarantine. Hey, Crash. Crash Hole is the only one I'm worried about. Wondering why we call him Crash Hole, you'll figure it out. See? Alright, you guys. Crash, get in the door. Rest away. Comment? Look who it is. You guys came from the same breeder. And nobody cares. So, that's my most recent update for Coco. Alright, so here's Coco spending her first day in the aviary with Comet. Yes, Comet is a slow developer, according to the vet. He's not retarded, and he doesn't have any illnesses, but he is a slow developer. That's why he is still acting like he's 17 weeks old. 2.5, 17 weeks. Can't really see the difference. And of course we have Crash. Hey, Crash. Jinx picking the lock. I don't think you guys see that. But those of you that didn't see, he actually has undone the combo on these locks twice. Most recently in Coney Island, New York, where he spent the morning flying around the ghetto. And Tusa, sunbathing. So, it's really extremely hot out here, which is why you're getting the body posture you're getting, but you can see the other birds don't really care too much about Coco's presence, which is a pretty good sign. So, I picked the time right now because it's pretty hot out. They're pretty mellow as opposed to 70-degree temperature where they're a little bit more active. So I apologize for the lighting on this one, but this is Coco getting a little bit of a bath here along with Jinx.